Well, this arrived today from ECD in Germany. Let's see if it comes into focus. There we go. So we're going to put it together now, and it should come in pretty handy. And there we go. Wish me luck. There we go, all done. But it does look a bit small. So the only way to find out is put the hard top on and see. But hard top off so we can get it on the stand. Let's move that little clip there. There it is, finally got the hard top on the stand. Fits perfectly. I can move it around. That's the loose lining. It's probably going to be, I don't know how you clean it, so it might be easier just to take it off and replace it with some other material. I think it's an original hardtop from the factory because we've got the Fiat badge on the glass, the Fiat marking, and you've got a heated rear window connector as well, which is pretty good.